here's a quick way to feel happier, guys. Look up at the trees above you and look up at the buildings or wherever you are. Just look up. Even if you're at home, or in your apartment, just look up at the ceiling and just marvel and wonder at all these things. That's the biggest thing, guys. Marvel and be like, wow, dude, like, just really contemplate, like, dude, there's billions and billions of trees around here, and it's like, just look how gigantic they look how majestic they look. And also another thing is, when you use different words like majestic and awe, wonder, beauty, things that most people don't usually say, you will also get more juice from the ordinary things in life. When you say, wow, dude, like, these trees are majestic, like, look how valiant, look how noble they look. When you use different words to describe what you're feeling, then you will enhance what you're feeling, what you're seeing, what you're experiencing. So use different words also to describe what you're experiencing, because that will change your life. Most people just say, because if you say something, if you say, an extraordinary experience, if you just say, oh, that was pretty good, then your emotional intensity, the emotional juice, the joy, the happiness that you get out of that will be limited because of your label. The words that you use to describe experiences are labels. And so if you say, like I said, if you say a legendary experience was just pretty good, then you're not going to get the same juice as someone who says, holy crap, that was like the best experience of my life. That was euphoric. That was so incredible. Like, oh my gosh, like, I would die to see that again. See how there's a difference there? See how there's a difference in my emotions too when I say it? So that can be another thing that can help you guys feel happier and just feel more abundant, get more juice out of life. We're after the juice of life. That's what we want more of. So by doing this, guys, just look up and just admire the beauty of the forest, admire the beauty of the area that you're living in, and watch how that changes your life. Watch how you feel happier as a result of that. So I hope this video finds you well, guys. It's a short one, but I just wanted to make that for y'all. Make sure to subscribe for more videos just like this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.